Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SS4 in the color dark green. Alright, let's take our scissors, let's open it on up. Inside each box, you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box. And you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. But first, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. And then we'll remove the plate for installation. Okay, just grab at the edges with your fingertips and push forward with your palm. Plate comes off just like that. At the front here are your screw holes. That's where you're going to put your provided screws through to fasten to your pattress box. Flipping it on over, you'll notice at the top here that it has the BS or British Standards at the top there, so you can buy this product with peace of mind. These are one gang two-way light switches, so they have 3 terminal hole screws on the back there. These are interchangeable. So if you need to get an intermediate which can control from 3 locations, you can just pop this one out, pop the new one in, wire it on up from a certified electrician, and then you're good to go. All right, so let's flip it on over. These plates are also interchangeable. So let's say you had a painter that just came in, redecorated your walls, and now everything is white. Not a problem. You can get one of these plates, pop that on, and you're good to go. You just got to line up the bottom, and then it clips in just like that. All right, so let's take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. On the one side, you have a whole bunch of social media platforms. Head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow. That'd be greatly appreciated. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. In the bottom right-hand corner, we have a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install our products. And finally, let's just take a look at the bag that our product comes in. Okay, flipping it on over, we have our SKU code at the back here, the ART-SS4DG for dark green. On the center here is our barcode, and we have another QR code in the top left-hand corner here. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi page. You can search for that SKU code, be able to find that product. All right, and then finally, we have the recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here, so you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day. So please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on to stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like, and we'll see you next time. Have a trendy day.